Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to learn about articles. So there is two part of articles and going to know about what is the uses of articles. So definite article and indefinite article. Now which is definite article? The is a definite article, a and an is indefinite article. Now what is the uses of these articles? Article the using in the name of rivers, lakes, seas, holy books, communities, groups, wonders of world, mountains, short and full forms of countries. Now what is the uses of singular articles? So a and an is a indefinite and singular article. When we talk about a singular thing, a person, at that time we use a and an. Okay, a boy, a girl, a school. Now an article is using before an egg, an animal, an old man, an hour. So an article using before which words start with a, e, I, o, u, vowels. Okay, and the pronunciation is also vowels like an hour. You can see h is here consonant, but the pronunciation of this word starting with hour, like an hour, an egg, an animal, an owl, and man. So so student, pronunciation does matter here. The pronunciation starting with vowel, at that time you have to use article an, but like an hour, honesty, honest, and honest man. So here we can see it is start with consonant, but the pronunciation is start with vowel. So if the pronunciation start with vowel, at that time you have to use article n. You can also see here a European, a university. So this word starting with vowel, but the pronunciation of this word it start with consonants. A European, European, a university. So a, e, I, o, u are written but not pronounced here. So at that time we have to use article a with this type of word. Okay, now next, rules. So we use article the with superlative degree, with a specialized person or thing, and third, the one thing in the wall which is we have to use their article the when one noun is used to represent the whole class, like the horse. So this horse word is represent here the whole class. The rose is beautiful flower. So the word rose, it represent the whole class of the flower. So here we use article the with an adjective to indicate a class of persons, like the rich should help the poor. The can be used for prementioning thing. The book which you have given is interesting. We cannot use a or an with plurals. So we cannot use a or an with uncountable nouns and with plurals, because the plurals is one thing where we do not use article a and n, because we have to use for this one singular thing, one singular person. Okay, we cannot use a or n with uncountable nouns like air, water, tea, food, etc. Use a instead of an with the word which start with letter u in writing and sounds in speaking, like a university, a unique man, an umbrella, an umpire. Okay, sounds of U and sounds of A. Don't use N with word which start with O but sounds B. Use A for such words and orange and often. Okay. Now sounds of V. A one, a one-eyed man, a 1 rupee note. Okay. Next, an adjective alone will not use any article. He is a fat man. So, an adjective which is alone will not use any article. He is a fat man, correct. He is a fat is wrong. She is a great man, correct. She is she is a great woman, correct. She is a great, that is wrong. It is long timetable, correct. It is the long is wrong. Okay, like example you can see here some articles is here using. This is an apple, this is that is an elephant, this is a letter, this is a doctor, this is a book, the book is new. Okay, so the word book is here repeated, so for that we have to use the article the in second time. This is umbrella, the umbrella is blue. So when we repeat any noun, at that time we use article the.